Andrew with Painless here, and today I'm wanting to show you our ClassicBraid and PowerBraid wire loom products. Both ClassicBraid and PowerBraid are going to be chemical resistant to any chemicals they may be exposed to under the hood. They have a continuous temperature rating of -94 to 257 degrees Fahrenheit and a melting point of 482 degrees Fahrenheit, so they'll handle any underhood temps you're going to throw at them as well. With PowerBraid, we're going to give you a more modern nylon appearance. ClassicBraid is going to be a more classic cloth looking appearance, but they're both a split loom, which makes it super easy to install even if your wiring's already installed and terminated. We offer both braids in either specific diameters by the box or chassis or fuel injection kits. They're going to have multiple diameters, zip ties, heat shrink, self-vulcanizing tape, and everything you need to cover your wiring. Both of our braids have 75% overlap, keeping them secured so you don't have to run zip ties or anything securing them along the way, make it for a much cleaner install. The split loom makes it super easy to install even on wires that are already pre-terminated. To learn more about our wire loom products, visit our website at painlessperformance.com or give our tech guys a call at 800-423-9696.